Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the deck on a beautiful August evening. It's been a scorcher. Getting ready to go on a trip tomorrow, so a lot of washing things today. Wash the truck, wash the RV. That's a pain in the ass. It is a huge thing to wash. Cut some grass, got the firewood ready, got all that stuff ready. I figured, hey, I want to make a video and stick it out tomorrow, which will be Friday. At least I'd like to. Hopefully, now we're losing light. It's around 8 o'clock, so no time for sitting around and BSing. I am having the hardest time getting this lit. There we go. All right. Well, hey, if you're here, like, subscribe, share the video around, share the channel around. I got a lot of gardening videos coming out. I did a good tour. Grew some killer garlic. I have some other stuff, starting to harvest potatoes. But hey, if you're here, please do that. I appreciate it. But hey, what are we doing today? We're on with another blend, another boutique custom series blend. And this is a blend from smokingpipesandcigars.com. There we go. King Frog Morton on the Bayou. Side note, I went to look at something on smokingpipesandcigars.com, and the website has been taken down. And a couple weeks ago I looked, and they had everything must go type sale, and they were actually even selling blend recipes. This one you could buy the blend recipe for, I think it was like $7,000. So I'm gonna go with prefacing this video saying, if you haven't tried any King Smoking Pipes and Cigars blends, I don't think you're gonna be able to. Glass of water, because I think they've gone out of business, or they've just gotten out of pipes or online. I'm not really sure. All right, got some notes here. Think I'd have had these ready, but I didn't. Sweet mother of pearl, I cannot keep this lit. The blend's not really moist. It didn't come like that or anything. I don't know. Maybe it's the humidity in North for Sales. All right, King Frog Morton on the Bayou. They say, and this was their description off of the website, is a result of our long-time effort to reproduce the now discontinued McKellen Frog Morton on the Bayou pipe tobacco. I never smoked the original. I'm only smoking the clone, so I can't really compare them. What one's better, what one... I'm not here to do that. I'm just here to give you my little take on what I thought of this blend. We believe we've come up with a satisfying blend that reproduces Frog Morton on the Bayou's tangy character using Louisiana Perique. Whether or not you've ever smoked the original McKellen Frog Morton on the Bayou, we're sure you'll love this blend. It is a delightful mixture. But, like I said, never had the pleasure of smoking the original, so I can't really compare it. This is just my take on their blend. Maybe I should have smoked on this pipe a little more before I fired up the camera, but I'm losing light, and I don't want to do with that little light on, because it's awful. Okay, and here's my notes, my take on the blend. The cut is a ribbon. The tin note, a sourness that stings the nose, a little bit of cherry, some dates, some canned fruit. I like an odd sweetness, but boy, that first sour in the nose when I first opened it up. All right, my first smoke of this was out of my meerschaum. I said some spice. It's pretty smooth. I was getting a heavy cigarette aftertaste. A solid blend that would be a good entry for a new pipe smoker who wants to go with a little bolder flavored blend. And I said, I'm not really into the aftertaste. I'll talk about that. too much like a cigarette. I said, I need more bowls of this blend to see if it changes with other pipes. I said, it is giving me some bite. I think that was the day that I was smoking a little fast. Now, I smoked it out of a couple other billiards. If you guys ever notice, I have a lot of billiards, a lot of straight pipes. Just my preference. The one day I smoked it out of my Bent Rossi. Oh yes, that is what I'm smoking out of tonight. My Bent Rossi. I always seem to forget to tell everybody what I'm smoking out of. It's a great pipe. Got it off of Etsy. Monitor froze, but I do believe we're still. Hey, I'm back. Smoking it out of my Bent Rossi, I said much better out of this pipe. It's more of a sweeter flavor with some tang. I said it is amazing how a different pipe can completely change a blend. I said it's better, but I'm still getting that cigarette aftertaste. Some other days, basically the same. And just the other day, I was smoking it out of my Nording Freehand, which is a bent pipe. I said seriously better out of a bent pipe, but I'm still getting that cigarette taste. I said I will be sitting this one on the shelf for a while to see what age can do to it. At times it has a nice sour tang. I said this blend has grown on me some. I said not my favorite, but much better. It's getting much better. Oh, and here's my note. I said I think they have closed. The website is down, and they were having that sale going on for the last month or so. I said I was picking up some more sweetness out of my Nording. I said, gotta watch. If you smoke too fast, if it gets too hot, it gets kind of harsh toward the bottom. And at the very end the other night when I was smoking, I was getting a big hit of cherry. So, that is my King Frog Morton on the Bayou. Like I said, I do believe they closed. That sucks. They had a lot of other blends I kind of did want to check out and go through. Now, from the deck, I'm going to give this 2.5 to 3 matchsticks because it just really wasn't in my wheelhouse. There was just something about it that it didn't agree with me. I don't know, from that first sting on my nose in the tin, which it kind of has subsided. I don't know where that comes from, if they put some type of topping or something on there. I did hear one time something about McClellan. They used to put vinegar on Frog Morton, one of the blends or something. I could be wrong. Anybody knows that, whack me a comment down below and let me know if I'm right or wrong about that. But the tin note, it just got me. And the blend it hasn't really come around for me. And I've smoked a dozen bowls at least, because I didn't really like it at first, and I didn't want to stay with, hey, I don't like it, I want to smoke more and smoke more, to see if it comes around. Maybe my palate's going to change, get me a little more accustomed to it. But just really wasn't my favorite blend. It's solid, it's not disgusting, it's not, I'm not throwing this out in the trash. Like I said, I would like to sit it on my shelf for a while to see if it comes around. Maybe it'll smooth out, maybe it'll mellow together. Like I said, I'm not real sure if they 316, if they put something on there or not. I don't know, but 2.5 to 3 matchsticks from the bench, or from the deck today. But like I said, I do believe they closed, so if you did want to try some of their blends, there might be some out there floating around. Kind of sucks when a custom blender kind of like that brick and mortar type place does close. Well, hey, I'm running out of light, guys, and it's super hot out here, so I want to sit and relax a little bit. So hey, from the deck, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.